this video we will learn about how to install Prestashop in cPanel using Softaculous. If you want to install Prestashop in your cPanel via Softaculous, then in that case log into cPanel and then go to Softaculous. Now here inside Softaculous, search for Prestashop on the top left corner and then click over Prestashop. Now click over Install Now button. Now finally enter the required credentials. You can enter the folder name here inside in directory if you want to install Prestashop in a folder. If you want to install directly, you can leave it blank. Enter the admin password and then click over Install Now. Now this will take a little time and then your Prestashop will be installed successfully. If you want to go towards your administrative URL, you can simply go there by clicking over the administrative URL. Now if you enter the login credentials over this page, you will reach dashboard of your Prestashop website. From here, you can manage the backend contents for your Prestashop CMS system.